Hi, I am Kenton, and I want to welcome you to your Kenton Realty Group apartment. I created this video to answer many of the common questions I receive, and for you to hear it directly from me. If you have any additional questions after watching the video, please text, email, or call me. Approximately 2 to 3 weeks prior to the start of your lease, you should set up your gas service through People's Gas and your electric service through Commonwealth Edison. You can choose any cable internet supplier available in the area. For your mail, you should fill out a change of address form at usps.com. I highly recommend you also purchase renter's insurance from any insurance carrier you choose. All of these services should have a start date on the first day of your lease, and I have listed some of the links to them below. Next, I'd recommend reserving a moving truck for the day you plan to move in. Most likely, your apartment has a tenant who will not be moving out until the last day of the month, which means we will have a very short amount of time to clean and prepare the apartment for you to move in the next day. It is possible the current tenant will not be moved out until the evening of the last day of the month, which means we will be cleaning that night or first thing on the first, and we will need at least till the middle of the day to fully clean the apartment. I will be communicating with you as I learn more about the timing for your specific apartment. But to be safe, you should plan to move in early afternoon on the 1st. You are welcome to move in earlier on the 1st, but please know we may not have finished cleaning the unit yet. On the day of your move, I will text you the code to the lockbox, which will be at the property and looks like this. In it will be a key to your unit and, if applicable, a common building key. To open it, push down on the center button to clear it. Push in the code and then push down on the top button to open it. Inside will be your keys. Once inside the apartment, there will be additional keys in one of the kitchen drawers, along with the mailbox key. Be sure to keep your keys with you at all times, as the doors lock automatically when closed, just like a hotel room door. Your keys are unique and cannot be duplicated. If you lose a key, the lost key charge is $40. If you get locked out, there is a lockout fee of $50, and depending on the day and time, I can't promise you how quickly Wilson or I can get there to let you in. To avoid the fee, it may be better to wait for a roommate to let you in. If you notice any damage or issues during or after your move-in, please take a picture and send me a text or email with a description of the problem so we can get it addressed right away. Per your lease, rent is due to be received, not postmarked, by the 1st of each month. Rent is considered late if received after the 1st, but late fees will not be charged until the 6th of the month. Rent can be paid electronically without a fee through Venmo, Chase QuickPay, Zelle, or PayPal. Just be sure to send it person to person, not for goods and services if you use PayPal, or they take out a fee and you'll be short. Please send rent to kg5252@yahoo.com. Or you can send a check payable to Kenton Gerard and mail to Kenton Gerard, P.O. Box 555, Glencoe, Illinois 60022. If you ever have an issue with anything, please contact me. It is much easier to deal with an issue early rather than after the fact. So please reach out to me so we can talk about it and come up with a plan to address it before it becomes a larger issue. I have to emphasize that if you ever have a water leak, please contact me immediately. Water can create a major problem, and water issues are a high priority. If you can shut off the water at the line coming out of the wall, please do that first, and then call or text me and Wilson right away. I truly hope you enjoy your time at our property, but if you ever want to buy a home and use me as your real estate agent, I can extend or shorten your lease end date, depending on the closing date for your new home. There is no cost to you if I'm your agent, and you won't have to worry about timing your closing date at the end of your lease. Let me introduce you to some people you may see in or around the property. This is my wife, Marissa. This is Wilson. He helps me with repairs and maintenance of the properties. This is Justina, Wilson's wife. She helps clean the apartments between tenants and cleans the common areas as well. Wilson and Justina live nearby in Logan Square. I hope your moving day goes smoothly, and I look forward to getting to know you over the next year. If you'd like to see more of my videos, you might consider subscribing to my channel. And please leave me any comments you might have as well. Thank you again for renting from Kenton Realty Group.